We need to find out the derivative of inverse sine of x whole raised to the power of x. So let's begin. We'll start by considering y to be equals to sine inverse of x whole raised to the power of x. So let's label this as equation number 1. We'll perform a logarithmic differentiation here, but before that we'll have to take the natural log on both sides, which gives us natural log of y equals to natural log of sine inverse of x whole raised to the power of x, such that we have log of y equals to x times natural log of sine inverse of x. Here we have made use of the fact that whenever we have natural log of a raised to the power of b, this can be also expressed as b times natural log of a. Now we will take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we have ddx of log y. This will be equals to ddx of x times log of sine inverse of x. Now we know that the derivative of the logarithmic function, so ddx of log x, will be equals to 1 over x. Now let's use this fact here. So we have ddx of log y, so this will give us 1 over y, but since we have y here instead of x, we'll use the chain rule to multiply it with derivative of y with respect to x. Now we'll take the product rule on the right hand side. So here we have x multiplied to derivative with respect to x of log of sine inverse of x plus log of sine inverse of x. This will get multiplied to derivative with respect to x of x. Now we have 1 over y times derivative of y with respect to x equals to x times, so here we have log of sine inverse of x. So if we use this particular formula, then we should have x divided by sine inverse of x. But since this is not x but sine inverse of x, so we'll have to use the chain rule. We'll multiply it to derivative with respect to x of sine inverse of x plus log of sine inverse of x, and derivative, this is multiplied to derivative of x with respect to x, which is simply equals to 1. This gives us 1 over y times derivative of y with respect to x equals to x divided by sine inverse of x multiplied to, now we have derivative of the inverse sine function. So we know that derivative with respect to x of sine inverse of x, this is given by 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. So that means we have 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared plus log of sine inverse of x. Now we'll multiply both sides with y, which gives us dy over dx equals to y multiplied to x divided by sine inverse of x times square root of 1 minus x squared plus log of sine inverse of x. Now we will replace the value of y as given in equation number 1, and this gives us derivative with respect to x of sine inverse of x whole raised to the power of x. This will be equals to, so here we have y, which will be sine inverse of x whole raised to the power of x multiplied to x divided by sine inverse of x multiplied to square root of 1 minus x squared added to log of sine inverse of x. So this is the value of the given derivative.